Jai Sriman Fifth sloka of 15th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Nirmana moha jitasanga doshaha adhyatma nitya vinivrutta kamaha द्वन्द्वैः विमुक्ताः सुखदुःखसङ्घैः गच्छन्त्यमूढाः पदम् अव्ययं तत् Om. Surrender to Sri Krishna Paramatma. Then slowly you will start realizing that you are not body but you are different from body. From there you will slowly start feeling no interest towards mundane pleasures, and also slowly you will start developing an interest towards Atma Sakshatkaram, self-realization. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam braja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. Ho Krishna, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I realize that from then only onwards, I will start realizing that I am different from my body, and also I will start feeling no interest towards mundane pleasures, and also I will start feeling an interest towards Atma Sakshatkaram. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamανupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamu Dasamaskandhamu 10th Skandham 293rd day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma doing his Tandava Nrutyam on Kaliya. Tat Chitra Tandava Virugnapana Sahasraha. Sri Krishna's Tandava Nrutyam, such a wonderful Tandava Nrutyam, making all of Kaliya's 1,000 hoods destroyed. And then Kaliya Raktam Mukhaihi Uruvaman, he is vomiting so much of blood from all of his mouths. Then Smrutva Charachara Gurum Puranam Narayanam. Kaliya started thinking like this. The one Sri Krishna Paramatma who is doing Tandava Nrutyam is none other than Sakshat Purana Purusha Sriman Narayana. The one who is doing Tandava Nrutyam, such Sri Krishna Paramatma, is none other than Adi Guru to all living beings, Sriman Narayana. Like that Kaliya realized, and then immediately Tam Aranam Manasa Jagama. He surrendered to Sriman Narayana within his mind. Itadu Sarvacharaachara Bhute Sundaina Parama Purushudu Seva Pritudu Sri Hari Yagunani Bhitin Saranam Bunande. For all living beings, the Master is Sriman Narayana. Paramapurusha is Sriman Narayana. That Sriman Narayana feels happy if we offer our devotion to him. Now, the same Sriman Narayana is here in this small boy form as a Sri Krishna. That is what Kaliya realized and immediately surrendered to Sri Krishna Paramatma within his mind. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 15th chapter, 5th sloka. Nirmana moha jitasanga doshaha. Adhyatma nitya vinivruta kamaha. Dvandvair vimuktaha sukha dukkha sanghaihi. Gacchantya mudha padamavyayam tat. Nirmana moha jitasanga doshaha. Adhyatma nitya vinivruta kamaha. Dvandvair vimuktaha sukha dukkha sanghaihi. Gacchantya mudha padamavyayam tat. Sriman Narayana Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.